अगर आपको भी हेल्दी एंड शाइनी हेयर चाहिए देन ट्राई दिस 10 minutes DIY hair mask. It's also gonna save you a lot of time, energy and product. All you need is any hair mask whichever you have at home and any favorite hair oil of your choice. You can use almond oil, you can use coconut oil or even olive oil. Take some hair mask onto a bowl and just add your hair oil. I'm using pure almond oil and just mix the both. This mask has all the benefits of a hair mask because you are using an hair conditioner or mask in it. It's also gonna act as a hair oil massage because you are also adding hair oil. Do not apply it on the scalp, just apply it on your hair length and tips and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. Then shampoo it off with plain water and add your conditioner. Don't need any other styling products. Trust me, I got this hair without any other styling product or hair product, or even I haven't applied hair serum yet.